Tecno Spark 8 expected to be launched on December 30, 2021. This is 2GB RAM, 64GB internal storage variant of Tecno, which is available in various colors. Expected price of Tecno in USD is $149. Tecno Spark 8 low-end smartphone. Tecno has launched its new Spark 8 to the market. Tecno is launching another budget smartphone soon. The phone will be unveiled in Nigeria. There is nothing much information about the coming smartphone of the company, but some specifications were leaked. The Tecno is launching Tecno Spark 8. The new smartphone will be empowered by the powerful chipset called MediaTek Helio A25 SoC. This chipset is used in mid-range smartphones, and to give more power to this Tecno Spark 8, it has a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor inside the handset. The device has got an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and in this upcoming new Tecno Spark 8 is going to have a big screen size of 6.5 inches. The users will enjoy using this screen size. This smartphone has a full HD plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. And also there is a GPU of PowerVR GE8320 under the hood of this Spark 8 by Tecno. The smartphone has 2 GB of RAM that will assist the chipset to perform well and make the execution speed lightning fast. In this upcoming handset, there are 64 GB of internal storage capacity in Tecno 8, which is enough to store a huge amount of data for a long period of time that can be used in the future. But you can also increase the capacity of storage of the device as it carries support for the micro SD card. The Tecno Spark 8 will come equipped with a dual rear camera setup. The main sensor of the handset will be 16 megapixels and the secondary sensor will be QVGA. There is a quad LED flash to assist the main sensor in taking photographs. The selfie shooter of the phone will be 8 megapixels. The Tecno Spark 8 features a face unlock, rear-mounted fingerprint reader that will detect the unauthorized user and will stop him from getting into the phone and steal data. The handset is fueled with a gigantic battery that is going to be a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery. Also there is a 10W fast charging of 10W. The coming Spark 8 will be a good rival for the Samsung upcoming smartphones.